Hello, everybody. Been a while. We haven't done any long way home. I haven't done any recordings. Had a little trouble with my headset going bad. Um, so I'm going to try to remember where I was at, what I was doing. If I remember right, we're getting ready to take off on Ceylon. We had um, funds wise, we're not looking too badly in funds. We've got a long trip. We got to make it to here. Then we start getting free fuel. So we'll see how it goes. So we're going to take off from Ceylon, and we're going to do Port City weather check. I'm sorry, my new headset, the microphone is very good. It likes to pick up all the background noise. Um, Better headset, and it picks up more background noise. Um, so you'll hear a fan in the background, and I apologize for that, but I have not been able to find a way around it. And we'll worry about that another time. Weather. Our last weather we had was poor, so we're going to add one. We're taking off. It's still daylight, so we're going to add two. I should actually take off at 7 p.m., and I think we'll do that. So we're just going to go and we're going to roll zero. And this is Trincomalee, so we're going to subtract two more. So let's see, -2. That'll be good weather. And go to B2. Take off. 2. We successfully take off with no problems. And we go to C1. All right, travel zone movement and time advance. We'll move the clipper to the next zone, which is 15. It's an RDS. And RDF zone. It's also desert. We're going to have to move the time 3. And we're still at low altitude right now. I'm going to move the map out of the way. Random event 47, no random event. Weather check. We're going to roll 3 times, starting with low. It's night, -1. We're in a brown, that's -2, so we got a -3. We're good weather in the previous zone, so that's -4. 6 is 2, good there. -4 again. 8, that's 4, still good there. And -2, -3, +1 is -2. 10, 8. We're going to have poor weather still at high. So that remains the same. We're going to do an altitude level change. We will go up to here and subtract the fuel. And we need to then roll for headwind. It's night, -1, and we're at medium, so we're going to stay at -1. 5, 4, no headwind. That moves with us. We also have RDF signal, so we're going to flip that. We're going to go to 7. Cruise altitude, fuel burn, we're at medium, -3, and no headwind. So we're going to subtract 3 fuel. We're going to go to C8, check our engines, 2D10, 23. We have auto fuel, and we are at lean, I believe. I keep forgetting to check that. I know it's in here, I just forget where it is. is. Cruise altitude. Set fuel. We choose fuel tank use. Set fuel mixture. Low is rich only. Medium and high are lean. So yeah, we're gonna be lean. And that's going to be a plus 15, but that makes us 38. Our engines are okay. Go to C9, navigation, 1 die 10, 7, minus 3 for RDF, that's 4. Good weather and lower, that's 2, plus 1 is 3. So no extra fuel burned. No enemy aircraft check, and no mountain collision because we're at medium. So we go to C1 again. And we are going to advance to the next zone, which is a coastal zone. And we're going to move 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to change the date to the 27th. We're going to roll for a random event. 60, no random event. Weather check. Okay, again, this is going to be a -1 for night, -1 for good weather. That's 2. 7, poor down below. Alright, -2 again for medium. 5 for 3, still good there. High, -1 for night. +1 for poor, straight up roll. 8, poor weather there too. Well, fortunately we're at medium and we're going to stay there. Altitude level change, we're going to stay right where we're at. That's going to be a lean fuel mix. We're going to check for a headwind. -1. 9, 8. We have a headwind this time. And also, we're not in an RDF. Fuel burn. We're at medium, -3, and we have a headwind, so we're going to subtract 4. Alright, now we're going to go to C8, check our engines, adding 15 again. Oh, that's 2D10. 64 makes it 79. Engines are okay. Navigation check. 6. We don't get the extra bonus for good weather at current and higher or lower. +1, 7 for night. So we're off course. We burn an extra fuel. Not good. And we burn an extra hour. Not good. And we go to 10, no enemy. And we're at medium altitude, so we don't have to check for any more mountain collisions. 17, again, no RDF. We're going to move 3 hours. Going to check for a random. 94, random event occurs. Go to chart E1. 1D10, 8. Sloppy fuel management by flight and engineer. Not good. Starting with current travel zone, remove 1 fuel box from fuel tank currently in use on fuel burn table C6 in each travel zone until landing in an export city. So, oh, this should have been gone. Sloppy. Not gonna be nice. Weather check. At low. It's still night. We are poor. That's 0. 1. Good weather. Medium. -1, -2. Oops, 1D10. 5, still good. And high altitude 0. 8, still going to be poor. We're going to stay exactly where we're at. Roll for a headwind. 10, we're going to have a headwind again. Cruise altitude fuel burn. Medium -3. Sloppy fuel -4. Headwind -5. We're paying a price on that one, ain't we? 4, 5. Engine check. 31 plus 15 is 46. Fine. 9 nav check. 8. Again, we're no RDF. We have good weather all the way down now. That's 2. That's 6. 7 for night. Well, we still off course. We still burning extra fuel. A lot of fuel that turn. And an extra hour. And we're not going to have to check either one of those. Back to C1. We're going to move into the purple zone and RDF zone. So we'll go ahead and flip that. We're going to move 3 hours. All right. And we're going to go random event. 40, no. Weather check. We got good, and we're now day. So, -1 for good, +1 for day. 2, good here. 2, good there. -1 for, +1 for day, +1 for good. So we're adding to a high, 4, and that's good there too. All right, we're going to stay where we're at. We're going to check for a headwind. 4, 5, we're fine, no headwind. 6, cruise altitude, no. 7, fuel burn, we're at medium, -3, sloppy, -4. All right, engine check. 78, 88, 93, engines are okay. Nav check. 5, -3 for RDF. 2, good weather all around. +1 or -1 for day. +2 for purple. You know, we're still well on course. And we don't have to worry about mountains, and we don't have to worry about enemy. So we're going to move to C1 one more time. We're going to go to 12 o'clock. That puts us in Karachi, Pakistan. Another port. Random event. 67, no random event. Weather. Just got to make sure that we don't, okay. C3, weather. Good in all of them, day in each one, so it's going to be 0. Low. 7, poor. Medium, good. High, poor. 4, altitude level change. We're actually going to go down and land. So we will go down to low. And we'll check our tailwind. And actually this is a no RDF because it's the port. Headwind 8. Going to be a headwind. Cruise altitude, fuel burn. We went to low, that's -4, sloppy's -5, headwind -6. 6. Yeah, we burned up some fuel since that sloppy kicked in. Engine check. 26. All engines are okay. Go to C9. Nav check. 7. 6. 7. Well, we're going to lose another fuel. And we're going to lose another hour. Alright. And from there, we can go to D1 and land. We will do that. We're landing in poor weather. We just roll a D10. 9. Landing okay. I'll go to table D3 or D4. Availability of fuel. Let's roll 1 die 10. 3. Automotive fuel only. And we are in Karachi, but so that makes it a worse. So, we don't have any fuel leaks. And we're going to have to fill up with aviation, auto. We have no choice. So, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 200. 300. 400. 50. 500. 600. All right. And fueling takes 6 hours. So we got to move that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're in the night time. Go to D4. Repairs, we don't have any. That one we fixed last time. I keep forgetting to remove that. Gambling and local saloons. I hate gambling, even in a game. I'm going to take 200 and try. 1 to 5 we lose, 6 to 10 we win, and each one takes 4 hours. So we need a 6 to 10. Oh, there's a die 6. We need a D10. 10. Oh, we won again. So we'll actually clone this. Okay. I think what we'll also do is we will work as dock workers from 7 to 6 and earn $100. So I think we're going to put 2 more days down and clone this and take 2 more hundred. That way we've worked. And actually, we're going to move it to the 30th because I'm going to move the clock. Oh, no, well, don't have to. You would do. The first one would move us till we could work the first day. Second would move us till we work the second day. After we're done working, 7 o'clock, we're going to take off. Let me see where we're at on the map here. See if I want to continue on or call that a night. We'll make Manama. So we can go to B1 now. 1D10, 9, 7. We're at Karachi, 6-5. 6 for port weather 6+ hours ago. So we're still at good. We're at good weather. So that's good. All right, and we're going to take off 1. We take off OK. Go to C. C1. Move Clipper to the next travel zone. That's 19 RDF. We're at low altitude right now. We're going to move 3 hours. Random event 72, no random event. Weather check. Good, which is -1, -2 for low and medium. Low is 6, good. Medium is 3, good. And then up high is going to be -1 +1, 0, 8. Still going to be poor. We're going to go up 1, lose a fuel. Belay that. Let's use our spawn tank. Just in case we can get aircraft fuel at this next one. And I think we can afford it. I don't know whether we can afford it or not. Probably or not. We don't have a whole lot of money. Headwind. -1. We're at low right now. -2. No headwind. And also that's gone. Alright. Cruise altitude. Tailwind, no. Fuel burn. Medium, -3. And no headwind, so we're going to lose 3. And again, I'll use my sponson tank. Just in case. I want to have that empty in case we need to fill up with aviation fuel. Yeah, it 50 bucks a box. That's going to cost us 550. I would almost deplete our funds completely. We'd definitely have to go work for a couple of days. But it'd be nice to have them extra funds, just in case. Just in case. We're getting close to where we get fuel, free fuel too, so. Alright, enough of that. Engine check. Again, we're adding 15. 32, no problem. Navigation, 4. -3 for being in an RDF. -2 for good. +1 for night. We're fine. Just fine. No subtractions. And no enemy and no mountains. Going to move into 20. Another RDF. 1, 2, 3. Move another day. Random event. 79. No random event. Weather. Good. Be again 0 roll for low. 6 stays good. Medium. 8 poor. And high 0 roll. Oh, that 8 -1 -2 is 6. That would be fine. We'd still be good. Yeah, we're at night and we're good weather in previous zones. So yeah, we can stay there. This one is 0, 7. That stays poor. Alright. 4. Altitude level change, staying the same. Checking for headwind. 4. -1. No headwind. Engine check. 23, again, we're fine. Nav check. 1, we're fine. No mountains, no enemy. C1, advance. Going into Manama Bay Ron. And we're going to mark off 3 hours. I'm going to do a random event. 73, no random event. We're going to do a little weather check. Both of these will be -2. Low first. 1, fine, stays good. Medium, 7, poor. High, 0, 10, bad. Alright. Altitude level check. It's not going to hurt us to go lower. Headwind, -2. No headwind. Cruise altitude, nope. Fuel burn, we went to low, -4. Alright, engine check. 95. Engine trouble occurs. Roll 1 die 4. That's engine 3. It's undamaged. We roll a d10. 7. Engine fails and becomes inoperative. D. With one engine inoperative, Clipper may only fly at medium or low. It doesn't matter. We're landing right now anyway. Navigation, it's no RDF. 8. 6 for good weather. 7 for night. We're going to lose a fuel. And we're going to lose an hour. And then we're going to land. We got good weather to land in. 1, we land okay. And fuel available. Manama is a -1. 65, automotive only. Well, we've only got a hop, skip, and a jump to Khartoum. I think I'm going to burn this tank out and hope that we get a good roll in Khartoum and get some aircraft fuel, and we'll be able to fill that up with aircraft fuel. We'll gamble. 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, you know what? First, we're going to work a day. Go to there, get a free 100. Then we're going to gamble 200. 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10 o'clock. 1 die 6. 1 to 5 we lose. No, 1 die 10. 9. We win again. I'm getting too lucky with that. All right. And I'm gonna just stop right there. And we'll take off in my next video. Oh, crap. Forgot all about that. Clipper repairs. I'm good at that. Clipper repairs. We'll take engine inoperative. Costs me 0. We have to do that. Spare parts must be available to perform repairs. We will lose our last engine parts. We'll take this away. 48 hours will pass. That'll take us to Friday the 2nd. I never rolled. Yeah, we did. Um, we will take off in my next video from Manama, and we're not going to fill the gas. We'll head that to the in Khartoum, so we can make it there. That's only 3 boxes away. All right. Well, I want to thank you all for joining me, and you all have a great night.